We say congratulations to our very own Business 360 News anchor, Mikey Oreta. Isa si Mikey sa mga pinarangalan sa 8 Bravo Awards dahil sa kanyang hindi matatawarang ambag sa business education. Narito ang agenda report ni Sujin Kim.
These are the women whose strength and courage seldom make headlines, yet whose diligence, compassion, and vision quietly transform families, workplaces, and entire communities for the better.
Pinarangalan ang 8 kababaihan na nagbigay ng di matatawarang ambag sa kanilang mga larangan, mula sa arts at sports hanggang sa agham, edukasyon at media. Sa Bravo Awards na hatid ng Zonto Club of Makati at Security Bank, binigyang pugay ang mga unsung heroine na hindi lang nagbabago ng buhay, kundi ng buong komunidad.
Supporting women is something we are deeply committed to, both in what we say and what we do. I see firsthand the impact women make in our bank and in the communities we serve.
At sa business, walang iba kundi our very own Mikey Oreta, ang lead business news anchor ng Billionaire News Channel. Mapapanood si Mikey sa Business 360 kada umaga.
Because business isn't just about numbers. It's about access, it's about inclusion, and it's about possibility. And if there's one thing I've learned, it's that the best investors aren't always venture capitalists. Sometimes they're the very people who simply believe in you.
Sa loob ng mahigit 1 dekada, hindi lamang eksperto sa ekonomiya, stock market at polisiya si Mikey. Siya rin ang kinikilalang go-to interviewer ng economic policymakers na nagpapalalim ng usapin ng negosyo sa paraang nauunawaan ng lahat.
I was once that little girl with no genuine access to business education. Never did I imagine that I'd be reporting business news, or that outside the studio I'd be working to build platforms that help kids, especially young girls, see business not as something that's intimidating, but as a tool to reach their full potential. And over time, I found myself not just reporting business news, but working towards making it more accessible, more human, and more empowering.
Kilala rin si Mikey sa kanyang Kidopreneur, isang entrepreneurial fair para sa mga bata na layuning sanayin ang susunod na henerasyon ng mga negosyante sa Pilipinas. Dahil sa pananaw niya, hindi lang para sa mga CEO ang negosyo, pwede ito sa estudyante, sa guro at sa bawat Pilipinong gustong umunlad.
Thank you for the trust and for this incredible honor. It's galvanizing and it's a reminder to keep on raising the bar. This award isn't just a recognition, it's a reminder to keep going, to keep building, and to keep telling stories that matter.
Sa panahon ng lumalalim na mga usapin sa ekonomiya, si Mikey ang muka ng business news na nauunawaan ng masa. At sa Bravo Awards, kinilala ang kanyang ambag bilang babaeng hindi lang tagapagbalita kundi tagapagbago. Para sa agenda, Sujin Kim, Billionaire News Channel.